So when you are interested in placing conditioners or conditioning your hair, ask yourself the question, what is the purpose? Good morning. Good morning. I'm going to go ahead and take out these braids that I put in last night. Now, I don't always braid my hair just for a style, but some nights I just don't know what to do with it. So, well, I'm going to show you what I did last night, right after this. Thank you for joining me again. Thank you, subscribers, for all that you do. Thank you for your support. Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing, and commenting on my videos. You are quite an inspiration to me. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, and you're watching this video, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know every time I upload a video. Now today I am in somewhat of a hurry because I have to go into the salon to do a retightening. I'm not really running late, but there's a certain amount of time I like to get to the salon before my client gets there, just to make sure everything is set up, though I set up the day before for who's coming in tomorrow. Yes. Now, the next clip you're seeing is what I did to my hair last night. And I did something a little different last night. You saw me with my Mr. bottle. You saw me with this. And you know that in this bottle is just water. That's what you know. But last night I did something a little different. I mixed something in my water. And I'm going to show you what that was, or what it is. I mixed in some almond milk, Daily Damage Repair, leave-in conditioner by Carol's Daughter. That's what I did. I mixed it with some water. Yes, I did. I put some conditioner in my hair. So you are privy to that information. The reason I put that conditioner in my hair last night was it came to mind that my clients are always asking me, so what kind of conditioner can I use? When, at that point, they shouldn't be using any. Okay, they shouldn't be using any. But I decided to use some of that conditioner just to see what it feels like. And I didn't use much. I just added some to my water and sprayed it on my hair after I put in the plaits. And it makes a difference in the way it feels. Not only does it make a difference in the way it feels, I think it's made a difference in the amount of waves that I have in my hair as well. Because what it has done is has relaxed my hair a little bit. And when I say relax, I mean just let it drop. It feels softer. And I'm wondering if that's what everyone is looking for when they want to use a conditioner. Are you looking for a certain feel to your hair? As a loose natural, we would use conditioners and moisturizers in order to detangle, soften, and just make our hair feel good. Is that what you are going for? Because that is exactly what a conditioner will do. And so if you use conditioners on your locks too much, too early, you could have, your hair could easily detangle. And that is not what we're going for with locks. We're looking to get our hair locked. So be careful with the conditioners. Make sure that you consult with your loctician about anything you're using on your hair, especially the conditioners. That was my experiment for this video. I wanted to see how my hair would feel, how it would react to using conditioners. A conditioner again. And yes, it is softer. I'm not worried about it detangling, but I really see that it is more relaxed, like just laying there. So there's a bit more of look of heaviness to my hair now that I've conditioned it. I braided this one going to this side, but I'm not going to do the middle part. I did that so that if my hair did just what I'm saying it did, that I can throw this onto the other side and it would appear to have more body. The body that I'm going for, the look of more body. That's the look I'm going for today. And I hope you get the gist of this video and what conditioners will do and why it's not always recommended for those with locks, especially in the very beginning. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my subscribers and my followers. But I especially love God because He's so good to me. He is so good to me. So when you are interested in placing conditioners or conditioning your hair, ask yourself the question, what is the purpose? And now, my 360. Have a great day.